I want you to jump like you trying to get stuck in the air. If you feeling so late and don't care, shorty beat in the face in the mirror, up in the air. I want you to jump, 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 up in the air. I want you to jump.
What's up guys, my name is Rishab Gupta. Since a long time I've been practicing for Guinness World Record. It's about doing most crisscrosses in 60 seconds. FYI, currently the record is 110 in a minute. And I want to break it. I want to set a new record that is going to be 120. This video is going to capture all the progress and all the efforts that I need to put in to become the world record holder. So I want you to wish me luck and let's begin. I don't know whether I made it or not. I would have to see it in post-production. If I made it, then it's going to be an amazing moment for me. Otherwise, I'll practice again. See you in the next video.
I want you to jump like you trying to get stuck in the air.